Hey, Nolan with MarineMax Rogers here, standing outside with this 2026 34 GLS from Cruisers Yachts. This one, as you can see, is blue. It's the ice blue color, white hardtop, windlass up front there. You got your diesel and your fuel and your water all here on the side. Let's come around the back. See the boarding ladder, trim tabs, your twin Bravo 3 drives, counter rotating props. Got submersible swim ladder, swim ladder tucked under the side here. We're gonna hop on board and check out the inside of this boat. First thing you're gonna notice on this 34 GLS is this massive swim platform. As we come on board, right in front of that, you've got this convertible sun lounge / seating area. Port side seat, little gate. As you convert this, it goes from sun lounger to rear and forward facing seating area. You got the galley here on the port side, some more seating. This is also a convertible forward or rear facing. You got the double helm seat, wireless charger, trim tab control, dual throttle control. You got the joystick steering. This one has twin Simrads, Rockford Fosgate stereo. You also have a Simrad marine radio. Another cool feature is you do a screen door on this boat as well. Down into the cabin here. Got a convertible berth here in the front. The table drops down and cushion slides out. Microwave here. Head unit for your Rockford Fosgate. And here is where you'll find your power management system. Here you got the refrigerator. Wet head. And you got another berth, mid berth down below. Just work your way towards the bow. This nice portside walkthrough to a massive bow seating area. This is a great day boat. You get tons of people out on this thing. It's great for big water. Hardtop. This one has radar. Sea deck throughout. Sea deck up here on the top of the dash. Extendable sunshade. One of my favorites from Cruisers Yachts, 34 GLS.